isa kang OFW sa Singapore and gusto mo pumunta sa mga Schengen countries like Italy, France, Germany, and Switzerland, then make sure i-save and panoorin mo to. Hello, it's Mami Chrissy. Ito nga yung mga requirements na pinrepare namin as a family of 5 dahil mag-a-apply kami ng Schengen visa sa Italy. Take note na iba-iba yung Schengen visa office, depende kung saang country kayo pupunta, it's either point of entry nyo or kung saang country kayo mas matagal magstay. For our family, dahil isang country lang yung pupuntahan namin, which is Italy, so Italy Embassy kami mag-a-apply and that's BLS Italy here in Singapore. So here are the 12 requirements na pinrepare namin as a family of 5 going to Italy Embassy. Number 1 is application form. So madadownload nyo tong application form sa website ng BLS Italy. Number 2 is a valid passport. Take note na dapat yung passport nyo is at least 3 months valid pa after ng Schengen trip nyo. Number 3, kailangan nyo ng recent passport photo with white background. So, sabihin nyo lang for visa application. Number 4, kailangan nyo ng photocopy ng pass nyo here in Singapore. So, it's either work pass, dependent pass, any pass na hawak nyo here in Singapore. Take note na kailangan nyo rin i-print yung expiry date ng work pass nyo. So, download nyo lang yung SG Work Pass para ma-print nyo yung expiry date. Number 5, kailangan nyo ng Certificate of Employment kung nagtatrabaho kayo here in Singapore and take note na dapat original copy siya and may sign and stamp siya ng company. Number 6, kailangan nyo ng flight reservation details na babalik kayo ng Singapore. Take note na hindi kailangan bayad na yung ticket nyo, kailangan nyo lang ng reservation ticket. Number 7, kailangan nyo ng proof of accommodation. So for us, hotel accommodation yun sa amin. So pinrint ko lang lahat ng reservation namin sa hotel and yun na yung ipapasa ko. Number 8, isa sa pinakamahalagang requirement ng Schengen visa is the travel insurance. And take note na dapat at least 30,000 euro yung coverage ng travel insurance nyo. Number 9, kailangan nyo ng 3 months bank statement and kailangan nyo ito patatakan sa bangko nyo here in Singapore. Take note na libre naman yung bank stamp, so punta lang kayo sa mga office ng banks nyo here in Singapore. Number 10, for married couples, kailangan nyo ng copy ng marriage certificate nyo. So for us, ang isasabit namin is yung copy ng PSA marriage certificate namin. For number 11, kung kasama nyo ang kids nyo mag-travel, kailangan nyo lang i-provide ang birth certificate nila. So for us, ang pin-provide lang namin is the PSA copy ng birth certificate nila. And for number 12 is the visa fee. So the visa fee for adults is around $133 and for the kids 6 years old and above is around $67. Kids under 6 years old naman is free. Take note that on top of the visa fee is the BLS service fee, which is $31 per applicant. So kung may tanong kayo sa inyong Schengen visa application, comment down below and pray for us for our visa application tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye!